What's up, everybody? My name is Skillful, and right about now, we are live at the Cool World 7.0 Award Night. This is my second time attending this event, and the last time was actually fantabulously great. And I look forward this night to have a wonderful and amazing event this night because to my to my knowledge, I am so much aware that a lot of artists and comedians are actually in the building, and you all should watch out because and if you haven't actually bought your ticket and come here, I really advise you do so because a lot of entertainment is going down tonight. Thank you, one love. Cheers, skillful.
Yeah, my name is Okay Bad Boy. I'm an Afrobeat artist. I came here to perform my new song, Grateful. Who wet 7.0, catch me live.
All right, good evening. My name is MC Bay, MC underscore BAE 21. At the Cool World Award 7.0, I'm actually here to represent official Wuli Arule. Yeah, I'm here to represent the Prophet. I'm a son of the Prophet, and yes, I'm here to represent the Prophet. And I am glad to see very beautiful faces, especially in the entertainment industry, movies set across, Nigeria space. And I'm wild already. I've seen a couple of big faces in the house, and I'm sure that tonight is going to be very explosive. I'm sure by this next edition, I'm certainly going to be coming here also as a celebrity. If you don't believe that, that's on you. But 2024, we're not going to agree. Sure, you understand what I'm saying. All right, starting now, this is MCB. Enjoy yourself. Thank you.
Right, I go by the name DJ Survival, official DJ for Cool Wet Award Season 7 at the K-On Event Center. Obviously, Cool Wet Award, it's a global award taken live in Lagos, Nigeria. But I want to tell you, this Season 7 is obviously going to be amazing. Watch out for a lot of celebrities in the house coming in today. And I tell you, you're coming here tonight is going to be so wonderful. Watching, featuring a lot of artists performing live on stage. Cool Wet Award Season 7. Kudos to all the organizers. Cool Wet Award. We are good to go. Thank you.